Wow. I cannot believe we just won the Gold Titan Award for product achievement, or I guess really this guy won because it's for product achievement. It is such an honor, such a pleasure. Thank you so much. It's just incredible to think that a little over a year ago, this here invention of mine was completely nameless. And after mulling through a couple of options, we finally dubbed it the curling headband and launched it under our brand RobeCurls. It's just mind-blowing to see that a year later, our RobeCurls Curling Headband is being embraced as a new product category for heatless hairstyling and winning a Titan Gold Award. Wow. I owe this success and a huge thank you to the vibrant, brilliant, and caring team at RobeCurls and our commitment to making better products for women. And most importantly, to our customers, our Curlfriends, as we call them. Without their love for our product, we would not be here today. I'd also like to thank all of those who have supported us in this journey, especially my family and my life and business partner, Kennedy. While innovation is at our core as a business, flowing through it is our broader mission, which is to empower optimism. So finally, I'd like to thank the Titan Awards for recognizing the importance of inventions and the value it brings to our lives and our community. With less than 4% of patented inventors being women, less than 4%, we thank you for your ongoing support of recognizing the feats of women-owned businesses and their inventions founded on new ideas. Thank you so much for this award. Thank you.